I've spent a lot of time searching to find a seat with my cutlery, my drinking glass, my name tag. I spent a lot of time searching for my seat at the table. Find a people as passionate as me, eager to speak on the contents of our society, the system set in place for Black people, for queer people, for anyone other than men, for people who are left behind, to flounder, to drown, to fail. But when the words spill from my lips, when I start my sentence with, well, it's all a system, or it's just another construct, or stereotype, or societal norm, the groan almost immediately follows. The rolling of their eyes, the disinterest completely taking over. I can smell it on their breath. Here you go. I continuously find myself longing for that group of people. I continuously search for the me's of the world, but I've grown exhausted, feet burning, body overheating, legs giving out. I've grown tired of the long, tedious hikes up disappointing hills in search for the people who accept me and the importance of societal conversation. Soon I'll grab my own tools and create my own table with a concrete surface and unbreakable legs made from passion, passion for awareness, passion for change, and drive for reinvention. Eventually, each chair will turn into a throne. The table will grow centuries long, filled with people who will leave behind a lineage, a legacy of people passionate for a new, of people who want and will make their voices heard, a lineage of me's.